To show brightness control in the notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, when you set panel settings to together, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick settings panel. Tap pencil icon or edit icon at the top right, and then tap panel settings button. Tap brightness control, and then select show always. Tap the back key. Next, tap done button to save the change. To see the result, close the quick panel, and then swipe down the top of the screen. As you can see, now the brightness control is displayed in the notification panel or in the collapse settings panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.